morning. So, uh, welcome po ulit sa ating session for special topic and I'd like to greet everybody, especially po yung mga first time here. So, meron tayong bisita dito. He is a mayor from, I think, Ilocos. Mayor Ed Zaragoza, welcome po sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club and welcome to the family. So, let me just share my slides. So I hope maganda yung mood natin lahat because the topic is quite interesting and although it's medyo maikli lang ito pero makakapulot po tayo ng magandang tips dito on how to really lose weight, di ba? So sabi nila, women don't lose weight as quickly as men do. Pero hindi ito dahil sa hindi sila parehas nagtatry, medyo mas maano yung lalaki. It's not that one. So ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. My name is Alvin Velasco and I've been a wellness coach for 13 years po sa Herbalife. And a lot of things na nakikita ko sa mga kliyente ko, especially yung mag-asawa, pagka naglo-lose weight sila, ito yung nagiging simulan ng pagtatalo sasabihin ng lalaki na ikaw kasi hindi ka nagtatry ng maayos 'di ba? Tapos yung babae naman madi-discourage. So these are the things that we have to address here para malaman natin bakit nga ba yung lalaki mas mabilis mag-lose ng weight kaysa mga babae, no? And before that one, I'd like to really uh, tell you na itong topic na to is coming from Susan Bowerman. Ito yung ating senior director ng ating nutrition education worldwide, no, sa Herbalife. So matagal na po siya sa atin and it's very powerful yung kanyang mga topics. Okay, so again, my name is Alvin and I've been in Herbalife products for almost 13 years now. So as you can see, ang aking result is weight loss. But aside from weight loss, alam naman natin na when you are obese, ako 192 pounds ako that time. Pag obese ka, marami kang discomfort, di ba? Marami kang aray, marami kang pain, aches, and discomfort. So, lagi kong sinasabi yan, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat yan, merong mga nararamdaman. And I'm quite very optimistic nung makilala ko ang aking mentor, aking sponsor si Robert Jimenez kasi very animated siya sa pagkikwento ng lose weight niya. And so the same as a coaches, ganun din ang ginagawa natin. We just share our story and make it possible na ma-inspired natin yung ating mga kakilala na kinakausap and eventually they were going to engage po sa ating weight loss journey sa Herbalife. Okay? So, my favorite products, marami po. But I started sa Alu Tea Shake, yung tinatawag nating healthy breakfast na diniscuss kanina ni Coach Lina, no? So, I also follow my advice ng aking mentor to follow the 7 pillars na diniscuss din ni Cecil Garcia. Yun, no? Malaking factor po, not only nutrition, but all these things i-incorporate nyo po sa daily lives nyo yan so that you can have an amazing and wow results sa Herbalife. Okay? And so, I'm so excited because with the support of nutrition sa company ito, alam ko na mamamana din ito ng aking mga anak. By the way, I have 9 kids, no? And they are all healthy. They excel in their studies. In fact, some of them are scholar because of proper nutrition, no? Nawawala din yung kanilang mga discomfort and everything. So going back po sa ating topic, no? First of all, it has to do with sizes, di ba? Mas malaki po talaga ang lalaki kaysa babae. In this view, pagka malaki ka, syempre mas marami kang tissue, mas marami kang muscles, and therefore every tissues and every muscle is composed of every cells in the body. So these trillions of cells, alam naman natin that every cells has powerhouse, has a component of energy giving. So ito yung that makes up the calorie, no? Kailangan ng energy, kailangan ng calories. So every cells na yan, kailangan ng calories. So eventually, pag sinuma mo yan, mas marami talagang calories ang nabiburn ng mga lalaki kaysa mga babae because of this size. Mas malaki po ang lalaki, di ba? Even the shoes, mas malaki ang lalaki. Sa t-shirt naman, mas malaki. So, it has to do with these things, no? Mas malaki talaga ang size ng lalaki kaysa babae. So, they lose weight easily than women. Ganun lang po kasimple yan, no? And of course, talking about sizes, syempre pag malaki yung katawan ng tao, ang lalaki, mas marami silang muscles, di ba? So, muscles is the engine for to burn calories. So, eventually, yan po ang magiging result. Mas mabilis ang pag-burn ng calories ng lalaki and so they lose weight easily. Now, number two, itong second thing has to do with body composition. So men tend to have more lean body mass. Pag sinabi mong lean mass ng katawan, it's not only the muscle. All the components na nasa body natin na hindi fats. So dalawa lang ang category ng body composition in general. So lean body mass and fat mass. So lahat ng lean body mass composes of water, yung ating muscle, tissues, organs, bones. These are considered lean muscle mass. And every pound of lean muscle mass can burn 14 calories. So try to imagine yung structure ng babae at lalaki, di ba? So mas malaki po yung body composition ng lalaki in terms of muscle, in terms of yung ating bones. So eventually when this happen, it needs more than calories than women to burn up. So yan yung pangalawang dahilan. And alam nyo, pagka pinag-uusapan ng lean muscle mass, you have to really take care of your muscle kasi may connection din ito sa health natin and longevity. Kung gusto nyo mabuhay ng matagal, take care of your muscles and alam natin na ang ating product, especially all the series ng protein shake natin and yung ating rebuild na binanggit kanina din ni Cecil, is very important po yon. And may mga ibang component po kasi ang rebuild na wala dun sa ordinary shake natin na F1 formula. If you tend to really go for muscle gain, gamitin nyo po yung Rebuild 24. And also, we have a study today na kahit kulang ka sa tulog, kahit kulang ka sa tulog, there is a particular nutrients there na tinatawag nating creatine na nandun po sa rebuild na yan. It it offset po yung kulang natin sa tulog. That's a new study today. Kaya nga sabi ko na-excite naman ako kasi minsan din ako din kulang din sa tulog because of the job, ano. So number three, the third thing is that happens is that when you burn more calories pagka nag-exercise po tayo, no? Naturalmente, babae lalaki nag-exercise naman. But because of kahit na parehas sila ng intensity, let's say uh, they are exercising, halimbawa nagpo-push up sila. So the same intensity, the same exercise, pero dahil mas malaki yung component ng lalaki, no? He burns more calories than women because of that particular space, no? Particular space. Uh the good demonstration is that we have two cars there na malaki yung isa, mas maliit yung isa. Siyempre yung mas malaki needs more fuel, no, to run. So yan lang po yung logic diyan. And let's take for example let's say may malaking tao na kino-coach ka. Like for example, I coach last week ano siya, no? He can burn 2,500 calories in a day to maintain just the weight. So kung gusto niya mag-lose weight, so binawasan ko ng at least 1,000 calories or 1,200 calories. So yung 1,200 calories, that's really a lot. But he can sustain that one kasi 2,500 yung calories niya. So he can probably lose mga 2 pounds in a week kung kikwentahin po natin yan. Ano? Now, compare this to a women. Most of the women hanggang 2,000 lang or even less, 1,600. So pag ginawan mo ng program yan, you cannot give a calorie deficit of 1,000. It's not possible kasi delikado po yung bumaba yung calorie nila at that kind of range. So, ibig sabihin, swerte na nung babae, pagka binawasan mo yan ng 600 or 500 calories, maswerte na siya kung makakalose siya ng half pounds in 1 week. So, malaki po talaga ang diferensya between men and women in terms of calorie intake kasi mas malaki yung kailangan ng mga lalaki. Okay? So, now, there are certain things pa rin na contributes to this aspect ano when losing weight men versus women. So meron din tayong hormonal factors na tinatawag. Yung women yung mga women kasi has estrogen, no? They have more estrogens because they need it sa kanilang panganganak and everything. So, etong estrogen na to promotes fat storing. Di ba? While yung men naman, mas mataas yung testosterone natin, mga lalaki. That's why itong hormone na to, it's really a growth hormone. So lumalaki din mabilis ang muscle natin. It's very crucial to really remember this one kasi a lot of people today doesn't really go for exercise. So kahit na mag-stretching ka and strength training, it will help sa lose weight natin if you're going for a weight loss journey. Okay? So, meron ding isa, yung fat distribution. Kung nakikita nyo dyan sa ating slides, ang concentration ng fats ng lalaki nandito sa ating abdomen while yung ating sa babae naman pear shape sila nandun sa baba, no? And this one I think is also a factor for weight loss, sabi ng mga expert. Okay? So itong genetic differences natin, uh, pati yung body composition, lahat na niyang contributes while men lose weight fast than women. Okay? So we have calorie deficit tips kasi you cannot really lose weight without having a calorie deficit. So yan, prioritize whole food. Ibig sabihin, wag po tayo masyadong kumain ng mga processed meat, yung mga dilata na yan, and all those mga nakikita natin sa groceries, no? Na aside from being unhealthy, it will not contribute sa ating weight loss. Then limit liquid calories. We're not talking about water, we're not talking about our shakes. We're talking about yung mga soft drinks, yung mga beverages na full of sugar dyan because it has a lot of calories pero empty calories siya. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang nutrients na kasama. Of course, some of them meron, no? And prioritize protein and fiber. Why protein? Because it builds muscle. It is a building blocks of our body and it has amino acid to goes with our synthesis sa ating katawan. And how much do you need in terms of protein? Para po hindi kayo malito, every kilos of your body needs at least 1.2 grams of protein. So you do the math. Sa fiber naman, it tends to really promote fullness. At saka po, nakaka-lower siya ng blood sugar po sa ating blood. So go for these two. And then of course, track and plan ahead. So kailangan po natin i-monitor, i-documents, if possible, para you can celebrate these small wins as you go along with your journey. So maganda din pag meron kang accountability partner like your coach. If you're doing the weight loss journey, sabihin mo lahat yung iyong strength, yung weakness mo because it's really important to know these things para maintindihan niya kung ano yung exercise na gusto mo. And of course, yung stress level natin, kailangan din natin malaman and the manner of rest that you are doing. So, manage sleep and stress kasi number one po itong stress. In fact, this is number one killer po. Not only na mahirap mag-lose weight kapag wala kang tulog, but if you deprive yourself sa 6 hours na tulog, marami pong maglilitawan dyan na illnesses. And lastly, aim for consistency, not perfection, no? So you just go to the gym kung kailangan mong mag-gym dahil ayaw mong mag-isa, but you can still do it at home if you prefer to do it. Basta lang, every day, you have to set a goal na meron kang i-hit, no? And being consistent is finally the thing that will arrive you to what you are dreaming of or what you are hoping to achieve, no? Yan. And of course, if you are a couple, no, ganun lang. What's the message? So, well, for couples who are dieting together, working together, I would say that women recognize that men will probably lose weight a little more quickly than sa inyo, ano? And sa lalaki naman, I would say that you have to recognize that women are working out na katulad mo rin, kasing hard din ang ginagawa mo and trying just as hard as you and it's not a contest, di ba? But the playing field hindi kasi patas yung playing field sa weight loss when it comes to men and women. Okay? And the most important thing is you can do if you're together, just support your wife, support your girlfriend so that everybody wins, di ba? Yan naman ang importante, ano? Yan ang importante diyan. And of course, yung pag-exercise nyo, marami po tayong mga enhancer diyan na makakatulong before workout, you take the shakes or whatever na product ng Herbalife that can go with your exercise. During exercise, fuel your body with those marami tayong ano diyan, tea, yung aloe natin, lagyan mo ng Imulip yan, lagyan mo ng Nightworks. All you need to do is go to that particular products line natin that can help you sa weight loss, di ba? After workout, meron tayong rebuild dyan to easily build your muscle, yung tearing, micro-tearing ng muscle natin, no? And of course, I hope this session is very short, but uh, for me, it's exciting. I hope na-excite din kayo. And I'd like to say thank you for all of you listening out there. So again, Ed Saragosa, welcome to Herbalife. Thank you and back to you. Ciao.
Yan, grabe.